How to use get on object in JavaScript. Get is a getter here in JavaScript. So we can refer to this. Actually, there is a documentation on Mozilla Developer Network. So this is the explanation about the get syntax. Bind an object property to a function that will be called when that property is looked up. It can be also be used in classes. So this is the quick demo, the default demo from the MDN. But now we will try ourselves. Okay, let's say I have a object called person. This is a very easy object which contain the first name John and the last name Doe, and also one method is called full name. Like this, it return to our first and last name, yeah. First name and this last name, like this. Okay, now we will call this full name here, yeah. I'm using console log person. Okay, before that we just test first name, then okay, it works good. Now we will try to get the full name or execute the full name method. Okay, it's not run. Do you know why? Because it's called the function definition, because I'm not execute using this symbol. So now it's correct. Okay, now the get syntax will useful, yeah. So let's say I want to call the full name method without using this one, but I treat it as a property like this, for example. So of course it just show the function definition, because that's the JavaScript works. But how to make this method become we can call like another property? So we can use the get syntax before. Now, as you see, now it works perfectly. So it means the get syntax will make this, will call this method and make it like a property. So we can call just like a property here. So we can call like person dot full name here without using this one. So this is very nice of get syntax. So I think this is the quick explanation about the get syntax. I hope you understand. I hope we can use it for our application. I think very useful for many of our use cases. Thank you and bye bye. See you next time.